Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making Navaratri special Gur Makhana candies. Starting with the recipe, dry roast makhanas till crisp. It will take 10 minutes at low flame. Take out makhanas in another bowl. Then in same kadhai add 1 teaspoon ghee and add jaggery. You can cut jaggery so that it melts easily. Keep the flame low and stir continuously. This is very important step. Then add spices, black pepper powder, dry ginger powder, black salt and mix. After 4 minutes, check jaggery drop test. Put small portion of jaggery syrup in water. If it is breaking with sound, then it is done, and if not, stir again for 2 more minutes. But important is to keep the flame low. Then add white sesame seeds. If you haven't subscribed, then do subscribe to see more such kind of videos. Now you can add roasted makhanas in jaggery syrup and stir well so that makhanas coat well in the syrup. Take out makhanas in flat plate. Roll makhanas in wet hands to avoid sticking, or roll in sesame seeds to prevent sticking, and also it tastes good. You can now enjoy your sweet cravings without any guilt. Do let me know in the comment section if you like the recipe, and also do share the feedback. If you have not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe to see more such kind of healthy content. If you like the recipe, do like, comment and share the recipe. Again next week we'll post with another healthy content, so stay tuned.